The question of whether it is safe to drink alcohol while taking antibiotics is one of the issues we often hesitate and wonder about. However, in general, there are many foods and drinks that should be avoided while taking medication. What we eat and drink can have many effects on medicines. It is therefore important to read the instructions that come with the medication. Like food, the medicines we take are broken down in the intestines and then in the liver, and these can affect each other in complex ways. Some foods can enhance the effects of the medicine, others can neutralize it, and both can be dangerous. Examples of interactions between medicines and food and drinks include the following. Some medications, such as antihistamines and antidepressants, can cause drowsiness, and alcohol can increase this effect. With some exceptions, most antibiotics today do not require abstinence from alcohol. However, taking medicines with alcohol can cause another effect called alcohol rash or disulfiram-like reaction. When alcohol breaks down in the body, it forms a toxic substance called acetaldehyde, which the body excretes. However, some medicines can make it harder for the body to get rid of it and cause acetaldehyde to build up, leading to symptoms such as flushing, high blood pressure, heart palpitations, and vomiting. The list of medicines that interact with alcohol is very large, so it is always worth checking the instructions on the medicine box or asking the pharmacist or doctor when the medicine is prescribed. Grapefruit has been found to interact with more than 100 medicines, some of which can be dangerous. Grapefruit can be dangerous because it increases the effect of blood pressure medicines by several times. This is due to chemical compounds in grapefruit called furanocoumarins. Drugs are broken down by certain enzymes secreted by the liver before they enter the bloodstream. Furanocoumarins inhibit these enzymes. This means that the concentrations of some drugs in the blood can rise to dangerous levels. Just one grapefruit or a glass of grapefruit juice can increase the effect of some cholesterol drugs by 13 times. This means that the side effects of these drugs increase. Green leafy vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, spinach, chard, kale, prunes, and some vegetable oils contain relatively high levels of vitamin K. Vitamin K helps the blood to clot. However, if you are taking anticoagulant drugs such as warfarin for your heart, you should be careful as these foods will reduce the effect of the drug. There is even a reported case that too much green tea can cause this problem. However, it is not recommended to completely eliminate green vegetables from the diet, just to avoid overloading on one day, which can lead to a sudden increase in vitamin K. If you are taking anticoagulants or blood thinners, you should consult your doctor or pharmacist for a full list of foods to watch out for. Black licorice contains a very sweet chemical called glycyrrhizin. The glycyrrhizin can cause potassium levels to drop, affect blood pressure, and cause heart rhythm disturbances even in healthy people. It makes sense to avoid licorice if you have blood pressure or heart problems. Tyramine is an amino acid that helps regulate blood pressure, and our bodies are normally very good at breaking down tyramine. But some depression medications called monoamine oxidase inhibitors can increase the level of tyramine in the body and cause high blood pressure, rapid heartbeat, headaches, and even stroke. When taking ferrous sulfate tablets for the treatment of iron deficiency, anemia, tea, coffee, eggs, milk and dairy products should be avoided 2 hours before and after taking them. These reduce iron absorption in the intestines. To increase the absorption of these medicines, it is recommended to take them on an empty stomach and, if possible, with orange juice or vitamin C supplements. You can support us by liking the video, writing your thoughts on the subject in the comments, and subscribing to the channel for the development of the channel and more such content.